Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can pin comments under your Reels posts on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, of course, the first thing that you need to do is to find a reel and a comment under that reel which you like to pin. So let's get right into it. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to go into my profile, then I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see, I already have some reels on my grid view, so I'm just going to access this one. And now that I'm in this reel, I'll go ahead and enter the comments. Now, as you can see, I don't have any comments under this post, so let's just go ahead and create one. For example, I'll just write test as a test comment and post it, and as you can see, this is what the comment looks like. You have my username, you have when it was posted, and you have the author tag right next to it to denote that I'm the poster of this reel. Now, if you're looking to pin a comment, it doesn't need to be one of your comments. If you're the author, you can pin any sort of comment that you would like, whether it's yours or of another user, so it really doesn't matter. And all you need to do to pin it is you just need to tap on it and hold it, and you'll get this menu. As you can see, you can add it to your story or pin it. If it's your comment, you'll also have the option to delete it if you wish. However, if that's all you want to do, if you just want to pin it, just tap on the pin icon, and as you can see next to the author tag, you will see a small pin which will denote that this comment has been pinned, and it'll stay at the top of the comment chain and at the top of your post comments, and that's what it's going to be until you remove the pin. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.